Brianna J wants to know, why are men so concerned with women's body count, but men's body count are twice as much, but obviously don't matter?
Well, let's start with a point of correction. 1 in 3 men under the age of 30 are virgins or haven't had sex in a year, and even the men over 30 are struggling to get laid. This essentially means men's body counts can't be twice as that of women. Now let's try answering her question. A man's body count doesn't matter simply because women don't care enough about it to even ask. And part of the reason why women don't care as much about a man's body count is because their primary focus on men is whether or not men can provide and protect, while men's primary focus on women is whether or not they are fertile and can be faithful. If a man's body count should matter to women, they will want it to be somewhat high, as this will signify to them that the man is sexually experienced, thus being pre-select and valuable. Men care about a woman's body count for a number of valid reasons, the simplest one being that men intuitively know that scarcity constitutes value, and therefore a woman who has not had her body touched by other men has value. A woman having a low sex partner count signifies to men that she is sexually disciplined, thus having the likelihood of being faithful to him. Another reason men don't like women who have had a lot of sex partners is that society in general doesn't respect promiscuous women, and the men that date those women, and therefore dating a promiscuous female isn't optimal. What many women don't understand is that advocating for a high sex partner count is harmful to women as a group and as individuals. If women as a group are encouraged to sleep around, then there won't be any incentive for men to marry them. Women being an easy lay also breeds a lack of respect from men, which can negatively affect how men enter and leave relationships. Furthermore, many studies indicate that sleeping around negatively affects a woman's ability to bond with a partner, thus causing her to jump from one short-lived relationship to the next. Another problem with female promiscuity is that many of the women have reported to be emotionally void or to have feelings of emptiness and worthlessness. Lastly, if we can all acknowledge that men and women are biologically and sociologically different, then we must all agree that their promiscuity is and must be viewed differently.